How to clear storage cache on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to iPhone Storage. This section displays how much storage is used and available, along with a list of apps and their storage usage. Then, scroll down to find the app you want to offload and tap on it. For example, GarageBand. Here, tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again to confirm. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. After that, go back to the Settings page and scroll down to Apps. Here, scroll down and go to Safari to open the Safari setting page. Over here, go to the History and Website Data section and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Choose a time frame from here. For example, today. And then tap on Clear History below. You have now successfully cleared today's browsing history. Following these steps, you can easily clear storage cache on iPhone.